thick thighs. Lost when you look into my brown eyes. See my lips always commit you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise.
Okay, I need to stop posing. I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
So why don't you stand up, baby?
Heads higher, then I kill him with a give my man. Best crew face, silly drilling it. I give him
Okay, guys. Today is the 18th. 18th. It's Saturday. I still look a hot ass mess, but it's cool. Day 2 of decluttering. So I've officially called this my declutter journey because I got too much stuff. Yeah, got too many things that I'm not wearing. And especially because winter has come and gone. And most of the things in my closet I haven't worn. I think it's time to declutter. Yeah, I think that might have to happen. Let's get it. All of my clothes. Don't mind this one. Straight. Okay. All of my jackets. I haven't worn this jacket in forever, and I don't know why. I haven't worn this jacket in like 2 years. Is this a keep? Is this a get rid of? I don't wear it. I kept it last season because I thought I was gonna wear it. Now we in Corona time, and I have nowhere to wear it. Plus, I'd have to wear a sweater under it anyway, so she might have to be a pass. It's a blue nose jacket. It's really good. I think I've only worn it like 4 times. 4 times. Let's keep going. My denim jackets are gonna stay. Are denim vests still a thing? I don't know. So this used to be a jean jacket, and I cut the sleeves off. Whoops. It was too small, so I cut the sleeves off. Can we see this doing something? Can we see this doing something? Okay, I need to stop posing. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I feel like I didn't even travel with this last time. Because they're not really a thing anymore. I know everything comes back around to cycle. Okay. What else can I get rid of? Possibly. November sweater? Nope. This is new. This is new to me, so I can't get rid of that yet. Why is this just in here with no hanger? What is happening? My sweater with the shoulders cut out right now would be the perfect time to wear it, but can I go outside? No. Y'all are gonna get a lot of videos in my room because I can't go outside. Sickle cell don't like Corona. Corona don't like sickle cell. So, you're gonna get a lot of videos from right here. Yeah. Have I worn this sweater this year? What the heck?
Oh, yeah, I don't know. Clean out again? Clean out again?
Yeah.
This not good.
I don't wear it, mommy.
Let me see if it
I
can
put it in my closet to say I'm gonna wear it for this year, and I haven't worn it all year.
So you go wear it though?
Me don't know.
Me wear it. It is skin out show. Let me see if it fit me.
This is why I can't get rid of stuff, because she just takes them up.
Oh. Fit me, Fitz-Ann. Don't throw it out. You have me.
Why me I God, and you have me, guys. This is what my life is
Yeah,
coming to.
when it's time cold, chilly. Just
We need
chilly.
a Gorilla Glue so I can put my studs back on my favorite sweater and I can wear it.
Where Gorilla Glue that we did have?
Did your husband take it and run away?
Which one of
Two
them?
studs came off.
Oh, that one.
One
Yeah,
there.
Abby?
They're over there, and I think one fell behind the dresser. Oh my God, another one came off. Where'd it go? Oh, I'm sad. They just keep coming off, and I can't find them. Okay. This is why I call it a donation, because they all end up in my mom's room. I think I wore this sweater one time. This is like a springy sweater, but again, I can't go outside to know. So I might do this if we get a summer 2020. Jesus, give us a summer 2020. From my birthday to August, I'll be okay. I'll fly out and come back or something. But I could wear this with some denim shorts, roll the sleeves, maybe, and my black and white Vans. Did I just make a whole look? Is that a look, son? It's a look. Hey, sis is going back in the closet because she's a look. She's a whole look. We love my lace hoodie because she's cute or whatever. I've had this forever. I used to wear the hell out of it, and now I haven't worn it all year. So, sis is getting donated. I don't hoard clothes, guys. I don't hoard clothes. This is my one from Forever 21. This one's cozy. I love this one. So she's gonna stay. The Ardennes one is gonna go because I haven't worn her all season. She finna stay. Cardigan, cardigan, cardigan. So I got this blazer. My cousin gave me this blazer. It's cute. She cute. Here's the thing. She got it monogrammed back because she was gonna put something on it. I'm cleaning, but it's peeling, and I don't know if I want to keep her because I don't know what's a monogram on the back to make it cute. But she coming off. She might be a pass. Can you come in my closet, please?
No, come. We're gonna get something to eat. Come.
I'm gonna get lunch.
No.
No lunch?
Come.
All of a sudden you want no lunch?
A video, yeah, video?
Yeah.
You're gonna hear my voice.
I'm cleaning my closet and I'm recording it because I can't do anything else. Can't go outside. So.
It's gonna go on YouTube.
Yep. Would you like to say hi to YouTube?
We have some clothes I can dash it to, you know? Or you can, if you want to.
She wants me to declutter her closet.
Oh,
Y'all want to watch me declutter her closet?
you know when you're beard?
You look clean.
Yes, Nana.
Should I
And closet and drawer.
She has 6 million things, and if I go in there, I'll
When you
probably
done-
find clothes for myself.
Women
So
never wear
might
it
be a
tag.
must. Put it on.
Let's go.
So
When you're done, you can do my
when I'm done,
none of the new clothes there, you know, but there's all new
may I
clothes.
get new clothes.
There's all new clothes. I
Mommy!
swear I never wear.
Mommy!
Come.
Mommy! I'm crying. Okay. So a blazer that's really, really old. I'm giving it away. This one, if my grandma saw it, she'd kill me because if you know Jamaica, green is not her color. She's gonna say you're a laborite. But I haven't worn it in so long. I don't really wear blazers no more like that. She's helping because she wants stuff. Okay. What else can I declutter? Those are all new. So everything else back here is new. Well, new to me because my cousin gave me a couple of things that I could wear, that I want to wear off of. I've never wore this dress, and it's kind of sad. There's a lot of things in here I haven't worn. There's a couple of things I have not worn yet. So I got a lot of summer things from my cousin, and I got a couple things from Jamila. Shout out to you. I haven't worn them yet, so I can't declutter all of them. I can only declutter a few of them. No, I can't declutter any of them. The only thing I'm getting rid of is the blazer, because I feel like if we donate it, it can go to one of those charities with, like, you know, the women, the drug addict women or the abused women foundations that they help them get jobs. And yeah, I feel like that would be a good look. I feel like that would be a good look. So that might have to be a thing. Everything else, though, has to stay. Yeah. I don't know. This sweater I got from Jamila. The only thing is the arms are a little bit short. So I have to keep them rolled. So summertime, maybe. And it's expensive too. It's Under Armour. And it's a little bit tight. I've only worn it once. It's a small medium. Maybe. Maybe. I think that's it. Everything else is staying. Y'all are out of luck, babe. But, okay. So far my closet has been trimmed down because I could only do the winter stuff. And the bags, because I had way too many bags that I'm not using. And this is why we can't donate nothing, because my mom just comes and raids the donation bags. Like, oh, this cute, I want this. Oh, this cute, I want it. Doesn't wear it and then complains that her closet is too full. Houseway. So, yeah, so far, I think that's what's gonna happen. Oh, I can get rid of this belt too. I don't wear it. And I'll never wear it. Nobody wears belts like this no more. My aunt gave it to me. She always give me old stuff that she doesn't want. But if you don't want it, what you think I'm going to want it for? So, yep. When I do my sister's closet and get some new clothes, we're going to get some new clothes. Some new clothes, yes. Look at me shopping without even shopping. It's a good day.
And them know what to do with it. Put me on the new headboard, now we ruined it. Back it up,